got our head here, and we glued our neck pieces in, and we let them set overnight. So we want to round this down so it's going to fit inside the body here. So before we start rounding it down, what we want to do is I took a ruler here and I marked my center, because I don't want to lose my center when I start to take this down. So I've got a 2-inch circle here, which is perfect to fit inside, to take that down and fit it inside the body here. So we want to mark our center, which we measured that there, and then we'll put this circle here in the middle, and we'll draw our line around. So that's a 2-inch circle here. So we don't want to lose that center when we start taking this all down, so we're going to mark the center with a punch here so we don't lose that, because once you start sanding you might lose where the center was, and then you'll be messed up. You won't be able to find the exact center that you want. So by doing this, we don't lose our center. So if we get inside this line, our center is always going to be here for us, so we'll take it down. So now we're going to use my belt sander, and I'm going to start rounding this all down and taking it down in here to this circle area. So we'll start with that, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.